Hey, this is Michael Goldie, and this is Space from spacesbox.com and Spacesbox YouTube channel, and this is my podcast. This is a Seasonic Focus PX 850 watt, 10-year warranty, platinum rated power supply from Seasonic. I won it at a LAN at San Diego LAN that I went to. Anyway, it comes with this little ties. And then it comes with a power cord. Big bundle of cables. Another big bundle of cables. And it comes with one of these, so if you have water, you can turn it on. And the power supply is like that. And it's an 850 watt. Anyway, it's similar to the 1000 watt I have here. I haven't done a review of the 850 watt yet. I plan to make a wide format version of this video. But I'm needing a power cable, and I can't find my 1000 watt cable. So I found one, but I don't know if it works because I don't know if it's the same power supply, because sometimes they're different on different power supplies. You really shouldn't be using different ones. So I have to find the part. I'm gonna look for the part and I'll show you. Well, this is the cable I was looking for. I'm gonna borrow it from this power supply to use on my computer because I can't find my bag what has this one in it. So I know this one will work and it doesn't have to worry about it, because this uses this power connector here, and that's that power connector there. Anyway, thank you for watching. Have a great day.